Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The Gerber Versafix is a hybrid fixed-blade knife machete that features a weight-forward design to reduce the effort needed when cutting, chopping or splitting. The unique high durometer overmold handle provides unprecedented comfort to reduce fatigue in the user's hands. Includes a traditional nylon sheath for a secure belt carry. The Versafix is 14.3 inches long, with a 9 inch cutting edge. Designed and engineered in Portland, Oregon. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. 18-inch blade is ideal for clearing thick brush, chopping roots, cutting branches and palms and more in your yard and garden. Axe-like blade head provides powerful, controlled chopping and splitting. Blade curve offers pull cutting, great for removing suckers and clearing vines. Includes nylon carrying sheath. Full lifetime warranty. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Dual-purpose machete was designed for chopping and sawing. Machete for clearing brush. Machete includes a 15-inch plain edge blade on one side, an 18-inch saw blade on the other. Machete with sheath has a riveted nylon sheath is included. Limited lifetime warranty. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Billhook sickle machete 14-inch. Steel sickle billhook machete. Billhook knife machete for clearing brush, axe, sickle, grass, short. Machete weeding sickle. Cold steel machete. Weeding sickle. Billhook machete. Durable and top quality. Billhook grass sickle machete. Clearing brush sickle. Kinfei billhook machete. Ease to use. Brush axe sickle. Billhook machete. Manual weeder sickle. Handheld size. Heavy duty clearing sickle. Billhook machete. Perfect for harvest, farming, gardening. Weeding sickle. Billhook machete.